guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming here today. Please click the subscribe button so you can join the fam, and also hit the notification bell down below so you know when next I post a video, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming here when I post new videos. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you two easy methods to peel beans, okay? I know a lot of us like to eat moi moi and akara and all of that, but we all struggle with trying to peel the beans, and that's always the toughest part. So I'm just going to be showing you two methods that I discovered. One of these methods I learned from Wendy is another YouTuber based in Canada, and I'm going to leave her link in the description box down below. You can do well to check her out. I'm sure you would love her. So guys, for this video I have two different kinds of beans. I have our regular brown beans, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this method works with any kind of beans. For those of us in the diaspora that don't have access to the regular brown beans, you can use the black eyed beans. I use this a lot for moi moi and akara, and it works out perfectly. The other reason why I even prefer these beans is you don't have to do so much washing or picking. Like our regular beans usually comes with lots of dirt and all of that, and yeah, this saves time. I just rinse and just check that there's nothing on the bottom, and I blend. Okay, so that is the easy way for me. So the first method I'm gonna do is to break the beans and then wash. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So I just have some beans in my blender. Any regular good blender would work, so don't worry about that. As long as you go in smaller bits or smaller quantities, you will be fine. After blending this, I realized that I had put too much beans, and then I reduced it and decided to go smaller, and yeah, you're gonna see it as we go on in this video. So your main goal is to crack the beans, because once you crack the beans, it makes the whole washing process easier. Okay, so again, just keep on watching. So this is what it looks like I said before, the goal is to break or crack the bean seeds as much as we can. So now we're just gonna go ahead to rinse the beans. So I first of all added water just because it's dry, so I added water and then I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I started the whole washing process. So the best part of this method is once the beans has absorbed some water, it's very easy for the back to come off. All you have to do is rub the beans together and then rinse. Okay, like you just need to pour it out. So you definitely need a colander or sieve for this part, because you really don't want the back of the beans to go down your drain, because it could block it. Okay, so just ensure you have a sieve, or at least something that you're using to collect the chaff or the back of the beans. So I'm just going to repeat this process until all the back comes off, or until I'm satisfied with how it looks. So feel free to do this as much as you want, or until you're comfortable with how it looks. So this is what we have, and this is good to go. If you feel like you still want to do some more rinsing, feel free, but I am comfortable with how this looks. So for this second method, I'm going to be using our regular brown beans. Like I said before, any beans you use would work okay, and you will still achieve the same result. So with this method, I'm just going to add some water to the beans in the bowl and allow it sit for about 30 minutes, because I just want it to get, I want it to soak up some water, and then we will blend. Again, I will take you guys along with me, okay? I don't know, but beans usually has lots of dirt, so you also want to be careful. If you decide to rinse it first or wash first, feel free to do so. So there's really no measurement for this part. I'm just using the measuring cup to help me scoop the beans into the blender. So the trick is you want to have more water in the blender compared to the beans. Okay, so I usually say do like a 60-40 ratio or 70-30 ratio, where like you obviously have more water. Okay, so once you've added the beans and the water to the blender, you just want to blend. Okay, like you don't have to do like any fancy blending. You're just blending, to help you get the back off. And trust me, you would love this method. Okay, like ever since I figured this method out, it has been my go-to. So pretty much just repeat the process until you're done blending all the beans that you have. So in here I have all the beans that I just finished blending. I haven't done anything to it, and as you can see, like most of the bark already came off. I'm just gonna, rinse and pour out. I don't even need to rub the beans together. Like, you guys, this method is amazing. I don't even know why we've been suffering, okay, like washing beans manually. Like, you guys owe me, okay, because I cannot know this kind of secrets and keep it all to myself. Like, I just had to share with you guys because I understand the struggle. Like, most people love moi moi and akara, but they don't make it just because of the struggle, when it comes to washing beans. Like, you guys, like, you owe me, okay, you owe me. That's just it. So again, we want to repeat the process until you feel you're comfortable with how it looks. And like I said, you don't have to do so much. Like, once you're done blending, like, the blender does the work for you, okay, like, it does all the work for you. So you just want to rinse and, rinse until you feel you're comfortable with how it looks, and you're good to go. See, I don't like stress in this life. So, like, anything that will make my life stress free, I'm in. If you're watching this video and you have an easier method, like you have a method of, peeling beans that's easier than this one I'm sharing with you guys, please feel free to share. There's love in sharing, okay? Like, don't be greedy. I was not greedy, and that's why I'm sharing this method with you guys. So, please feel free to share your own method with me. You can send me a DM, or you can even just tell me what to do in the comment section down below, and I am so down to try it out because, see, they don't need to give awards for the person that suffers the most. There's no award for suffering, okay? So please feel free to share, and I would, gladly try that method out. So there you go. You have your beans, already peeled, and you can start blending, your beans with your bell peppers and any other thing that you will needing to make you akara or moi moi. So guys, this is the outcome. In this first bowl, we have the beans, from the first method where we broke the beans first before washing, and in the other bowl, we have the beans where we use the second method of soaking the beans and then blending whole, okay? So you guys, which method do you prefer? I personally prefer the second method, but if you don't have a very good blender, I would advise you to use the first method because the beans had already been broken down, right? Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.